We are pleased to show you the 2013 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, FWD. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.